sexiest local male star for you?
For me, sexiest local star. Hmm, I didn't think of that yet. Siguro, si... I'm sorry, wala akong maisip. Pero,
Guy, anong physical trait na una mong napapansin?
is the eyes.
Sexy guy. What's a sexy guy for you?
It's his sex appeal. His appeal.
Ano naman girl crush?
Girl crush, Nadine Lustre.
Pwedeng
And Heart Evangelista.
good choices. Okay. Nice abs or nice butts?
I'm sorry, nice.
Wow.
Nice butts.
Sa'yo, which body part are you most proud of?
I think my smile. Kasi when you see a smile, it makes your day brighter.
Ano yung pinaka-sexy movie na napanood mo?
Sexy. Sa Netflix siya. No. Local Eva. Eva. Adan? Eva? I forgot. Adan yun.
Miranda? Last time movie yun Do you think you're a good kisser?
I think so.
Pillows do you sleep with?
5.
Okay. Ano ang take mo doon sa mga girls ang unang nagme-make ng first move?
I think it's completely normal. Talaga yung sa mga social medias, pinapalabas nila na yung guy dapat first move lahat. But I think it's give and take. Kasi sometimes guy needs to feel special too. And treat him as a prince and he will treat you as a princess.
Ano naman ang take mo sa PDA?
I think sa research, maraming tao na nawiwirdohan or nakikringe sa mga PDAs. But I think na PDA makes you feel a lot more interested in that person and it makes you feel more special.
Ano naman ang turn off mo sa mga lalaki?
Turn off. When they overbrag. As in overbrag.
Mahahangin. Okay. Ano naman ang take mo sa threesome?
I respect their sexual life and their sexual fantasy. And if that makes them happy, then it's completely okay.